Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And I think if you just kind of look up into the sun here, you may be able to see the weather vane atop the cupola, atop the horse barn there. I can see it, but I think it'll come out on the camera. Anyway, today's Tàijíquán Tip is about the weather vane. It's about the kind of attuning to, receiving, and adjusting to the wind. So I'll be practicing, and when I notice the wind, particularly if I notice it shift, but when it picks up, and it's not doing that right now, but as it picks up, I'll kind of get to the next posture, right? And the posture will tend to have the weight on one leg or the other. So we could think of any posture really as single-legged, even if one of the legs isn't up in the air. And then once I'm there, and in this case, I'm on my right leg here, then as the wind changes, I'll make a pivot from the weighted hip like a weather vane, and I'll adjust to the wind. And I might find a variation of the form, and I might find a stretch, but I'll kind of make the adjustment to it. Then maybe I'll continue my form in a new direction, or I'll just return when the wind is settled and continue the form. So I'm just kind of practicing listening to the wind and letting it adjust me, or really letting my brain say, oh, I feel where the wind is. Other way I'll do this is with seagulls at the beach, where they are little weather vanes that will all kind of face into the wind so as not to ruffle the feathers, I suppose. And again, they seem very attuned to it. So it's a really enjoyable practice. And then maybe as long as it's breezy, I'll just hold the posture, and there's the breeze now. Nice. So I just kind of hold the posture while the breeze comes up. And then when the breeze is done, I'll continue. So enjoy that one. Thank you very much for joining us so regularly. We got to be up to like 500 videos here. So appreciate your support. Thank you. Great Blue Heron, Weather Vane.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.